Welcome to this brief tutorial on using the new Oasis system to request time off. This is what you're going to use for general or personal leave, professional leave, athletics, and all other types of leave. First, you're going to start by going to yumaunion.harrisschool.solutions. Then you're going to see this screen. You're not going to log in using your credentials here. Instead, you're going to hit Entra SSO. From here, you're going to enter your school email address and click Next. You're going to enter your district password and click Sign In. You're going to go through the two-step verification process and log into the system. From here, you're on the home page. In order to actually request time off, you have to go to where it says Dashboard. You're going to click on the drop-down. It should already be highlighted, but if not, you're going to click on the My Oasis to get the self-service for employee. You're going to come over to the right side of this list and you're going to click My Leave Requests. Here you're going to see all of the leave you either have requested or even in the past. And you're going to create a new leave request by clicking the blue Create Leave Request in the upper right-hand corner. From here, you must start with the job name. It should have a drop-down menu and you can just pick yours from the list. Once you've done that, you can choose which type of leave you'll be taking. You have the options of athletics, FMLA, general, jury duty, or professional. You're just going to select the one that's appropriate for your absence. Then you're going to move on to the first day of your absence and the last day of your absence. If it's the same day, just choose the same date for both, and then how much of your day you're going to be gone. If you're going to be gone the entire day, you will simply put 8 hours. And then in notes, a brief explanation of why you're doing it, and then you'll click the Save button. Once you do that, it will add that request to your list of leave requests. It will even separate it by general leave requests and professional leave requests. Once you've done this first step and you've saved it, it will send you an email notifying you that your request is pending. After it has been approved by your supervisor, you will get another email telling you that it has moved from a pending to approved. And once it has been approved, that's when you'd want to log into ASOP and request a sub for that time off. If you need to ever get back to see this, again, it's just the dashboard, My Oasis, and then My Leave Requests, and you'll have access to everything you need. Again, you will get an email at each stage of the process as well. That's how you request time off. It's pretty simple, but don't forget, you still have to go over to ASOP and enter it for a sub. Have a great day.